Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at SiteDetective. Now essentially this is gonna let you guys legally hijack or spy the vital information of your competitor's website or any kind of website that are getting high volume of traffic. You can use this tool to learn the strategies and tactics that they are doing or they are using in their website, to get them on the first page of the search result. When I say vital information, guys, things like how they are driving traffic into their website, what kind of keyword they are ranking in their website, what kind of content, how they are structuring their content, what kind of backlinks, how they are getting backlinks into their website, right? You can learn all those vital information, and then you can apply those tactics, those strategies into your own business, right? And you can outrank those your competitors using this tool, right? So that's exactly this tool is all about, right? And before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, so as you can see, I'm inside of the dashboard of this software. And before I'm going to walk you through inside, I'm going to show you the demo of this. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you will get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out surefire your success with SiteDetective. Alright, so when you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it will bring you to my bonus page that looks something like this. And when you scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you will gonna get access to all of my bonuses right here. Now I actually custom crafted all these bonuses, guys, to help you guys out surefire your result with SiteDetective, right? So, and by the way, if you don't have yet a business, you can also sell this as a service to make money online as well. Alright, so let me explain to you guys each of my bonuses right here. My bonus number 1, guys, I'm gonna show you how to get eyeballs, clicks, and most especially, guys, sales into your offer using my YouTube optimization method. Right, so this is the exact method that I use, guys, to to get sales into my offers using YouTube. Right, so that is my bonus number 1, and this can really help you guys out a lot. My bonus number 2, I'm gonna give you guys access to instant content creator software. Now content is king, and content can help you guys help your website bring you at the top of the search result, because if you have fresh and unique content, search engine just like Google will favor you and bring you at the top of the search results. So content can really help you guys out, and this software can help you create content. So that is my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a backlink generator software. Now backlink is one of the things that search engine look at when they rank a specific website. So this software can really help you guys out generate high quality backlink into your website that can also help you rank at the top of the search result, right? So that is my bonus number 3. My bonus number 4, this is super useful, guys. Right, I'm gonna show you how to get free $100 to $500 advertising coupon if you wanted to drive paid ads into your website. Then I'm gonna show you how you can save hundreds of dollars, guys, by giving you access to this. I'm gonna show you how to get $500 coupon, advertising coupon to any kind of advertising marketplaces like Google, Bing, Microsoft, LinkedIn, Facebook. You can use this coupon ad or coupon, guys, to save hundreds of dollars. Right, so that is my bonus number 4. And then my last bonus, guys, is I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a bot that will give you free traffic from Twitter. So you can set up a Twitter profile for your website or for your whatever offer that you are promoting right now. So if you have a website, then you can also create a profile Twitter page and then drive the traffic this software, this is essentially a Chrome extension that will get you free traffic from Twitter, right? It will give you free follower on autopilot, and the best part, you will get, you know, targeted Twitter follower and real people. All right, so that is my bonus number 5. All right, so, and of course guys, you will also get access to all vendor bonuses. Right, so those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up a SiteDetective through the link down in the description of this video, when you guys click the link, just like I said, it will bring you to my bonus page right here. And by the way guys, you're gonna need to pick SiteDetective before this countdown timer hit 0, right? And when you guys click any of these buttons right here, it will bring you guys to the sales page of SiteDetective. So this is the sales page of SiteDetective. The headline says 3-click app legally hijacks all the vital information of high traffic getting website and clone their complete success. Right, hijack all the vital information of the website in minutes, unlimited real buyer traffic and sales, easily rank higher on Google, Bing, and Yahoo, get faster website report, analytics report, or of all of your web pages. You can also sell unlimited backlinks and best services to make money. Just like I said guys, if you don't have a business right now, you can also make this as a business. You can also sell, you know, this as a service to make money. All right, there's no monthly fee and no limit, and 30 days money back guarantee. All right, so let me walk you through inside of the dashboard of SiteDetective. So when you log in into your account, this is the first thing that you're gonna see. You're gonna see the statistics of your account right here, and the first thing that you need to do is to connect your system right here. You're gonna need to connect your social API right here, the proxy settings and the connectivity settings right here, and then native API. Right, so they have the instruction on how to do that right here, but these are the tools that you will get access. Right, all right, there's a visitor analytics, there's social networks analytics, a domain analysis, IP analysis right here. So if you wanted to monitor the performance of your website, then you can use these tools right here. But if you guys wanted to monitor your competitors website, then you can use these tools right here. There is a website analysis right here where you'll be able to analyze, you know, how they are driving traffic, what kind of traffic source that they are using, things like that. All right, and then you can also use this tool right here, rank and index analysis. You'll be able to know, you know, the rank of your competitors and the index of your competitors, and this link analysis, what kind of link that they are getting, how many backlinks, how much backlinks that they are getting, right, and what kind of link, right, that they are getting. Right, so you can monitor that right here. And this keyword analysis right here, what kind of keyword that they are ranking, how they structure their content to get organic traffic using search engine. Right, so those are the analysis tools. There's also utility tools right here. There is an email encoder and decoder, plagiarism checker, duplicate email filter, URL chronicle check, and encoder and decoder right here. And these are the tools that you can use to monitor your competitors as well. The meta tag generator, valid email checker, URL encoder and decoder, zip check. I'm not really sure what this is all about. Robot code generator. Right, so those are the utilities tool. And there's also URL shortener right here. There's Bitly and Rebrandly. All right, and then there's a keyword tracking right here, tracking settings, and position report right here. And then this code magnifier right here, HTML minifier, CSS minifier, GS minifier. Now I think you can use these tools, guys, to identify, you know, how clean your you know, the code of your website, right, to load your website faster. Right, and then this security tools right here, malware scan and virus total scan, and widget right here. Now those are all of the things that you can expect inside of SiteDetector. And there are some upgrades within this tool, and you can learn those upgrades, guys, actually in my bonus page right here. Right, so for the front end, you will get this for $15, and you will get, guys, $2 discount when you try to exit the sales page right here. All right, and these are the tools that you will be getting in your front end purchase. Right, there's a bunch of tools that you'll be getting right here. All right, and then OTO number 1, which is the pro version of this, you will get additional tools right here. Right, and then OTO number 2 is you will get unlimited to everything. Right, and then OTO number 3 is unlimited SEO. OTO number 4 is automation. OTO number 5 is reseller license. All right, so those are all of the upsells, and just like I said, guys, you can get access to all of my bonuses instantly after your purchase of SiteDetective, and for some reason you can access my bonuses. I have an email below this video, that way you can always reach me out. I'm gonna send you these bonuses personally. All right, so yeah, I think that would be in my review. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you guys in my next review video. Bye, love you. Bye.